A free community event happening next week in Brunswick hopes to reduce the stigma attached to seeking support for mental health and substance use disorders. Here with us to discuss this event is Sweetser spokesperson Justin Chenette. Justin, thank you so much for joining us. We always appreciate when you come in and lend your insight. So how can stigma prevent somebody from seeking help?
Absolutely. Well, it can be debilitating and sort of self-defeating, right? You can feel sort of like a prism of judgment from those around you, whether it's friends, family members, it could be coworkers, or other folks at your place of business. It can just sort of feel like you're less than, and it can feel like you're being cut off from supports and the community. And so that's a big challenge. You're not going to want to seek out support and help when you feel like there's a wall there, there's a barrier there. So we're helping to reduce stigma through conversations like we have every week, but also just normalizing the conversation that help is okay. You're not abnormal. There are other folks that have gone through a similar experience. Just makes you feel some reassurance and strengthen your confidence, quite frankly, to reach out for professional support.
Justin, I'm sure that this, it's about reducing stigma, but maybe we could dive a little deeper into how the event is going to help, or how you hope it helps.
Absolutely. Well, Sweetser's putting together a free screening of the film Compassion Cures, which is a half-an-hour documentary shot here in Maine, and it really showcases stories of impact for folks on the road to their own personal journeys of recovery, and that really is helpful. Sharing those stories, again, makes you feel like you're not alone, that there is hope at the end of the day for you and your journey, because there's other folks sharing and being willing to share their own experiences. There's interviews with law enforcement and other professionals, and then we hope to have a panel discussion afterwards with experts ranging from peer recovery services, mobile crisis, meeting folks where they're at, and options, providing Narcan and other life-saving resources. So the combination of sharing those personal stories and then tangible, actionable next steps in terms of treatment options and resources is a great combination to reducing stigma and getting folks the help that they need.
Yeah, for lack of a better term, it's sort of like a 1-2 punch.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So what are some of the details if somebody wanted to attend?
Absolutely. So it's happening Thursday, August 8th from 6 to 8 p.m. at our Brunswick Mental Health and Substance Use Recovery Clinic at 329 Bath Road in Brunswick. And it's free, open to the public, all are welcome. And the key is that this public screening, this community conversation, this panel discussion is really about creating a non-judgmental zone for folks to share in their experiences, also ask questions that they may have been scared to ask before, whether in the public setting or privately afterwards. But we encourage all to participate, and we hope, again, things like this help to move folks towards hope and healing.
Yeah, as we know, keeping quiet and keeping it inside is not the best course of action.
Sharing is caring.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. All right, Justin, we appreciate you coming in. Thank you so much.